Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We all know that on October 5, 2020, DRDO successfully flight tested the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo, which is in short form is known as SMART, and this test was performed from Wheeler Island off the coast of Odisha. In this video, I would be providing you with more information on this particular hybrid weapon system so that everyone would be clear about what actually this weapon is all about. The supersonic missile assisted release torpedo is basically a supersonic anti-ship missile with a medium weight torpedo as its payload, and these two objects together form the weapon called as the supersonic missile assisted release torpedo. The supersonic missile assisted release torpedo is a hybrid missile that incorporates the technologies of two different weapon systems, making it faster and stealthier. This has made the Indian Navy to boost their power in anti-submarine warfare by having such a weapon with much higher range than a normal torpedo. Once this smart weapon is fired from the sources, it would fly like a supersonic missile in the air, and once it reaches near to the target, it would eject the torpedo, which in turn will move towards the target and detonate it. So how did such a weapon come into play? We know that the Indian Navy has already developed and deployed the BrahMos supersonic anti-ship and land attack cruise missile, as well as the indigenous Varunastra heavyweight torpedo. The idea for the smart anti-submarine missile came with the thoughts of modifying the BrahMos supersonic missile with a medium weight variant of the Varunastra torpedo as its payload. The idea for such a weapon has become successful with yesterday's test by DRDO. As mentioned above, the Indian Navy will get a major boost by inducting such a weapon since it will have a range of around 350 nautical miles and can be used to engage hostile submarines from nearly half a sea away. Normally, a torpedo has a range between 45 to 150 kilometers, but this weapon will surpass all such torpedoes with its longest range. So that was a quick information on what actually the supersonic missile assisted release of torpedo weapon is all about, and how it got originated from an idea by Indian Navy and DRDO. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.